Hi, I'm Xuelian and today we're presenting our NRAC system for ground-mounted PV installations. The NRAC system was designed by the team at K2. We developed all the profiles and optimized the system. As a structural engineer, I handle all project statics.
My name is Andreas, and I am one of the contacts for your ground mount project with the optimized NRAC from K2 Systems. The NRAC system is a modular concept that meets the most common requirements and provides the most important customization options.
It is designed for module sizes between 2.5 and 3 square meters, but it can also be adapted for smaller modules in the range of 2 square meters. This makes it suitable for both larger solar parks and small installations.
The NRAC can be mounted on both driven pile and concrete foundations. There is also an adapter for connecting to screw foundations. We have focused on the most common configurations of 2 modules in portrait orientation at a 20 degrees tilt angle and 3 modules in portrait orientation at 15 degrees to 18 degrees.
If desired, the tables can also be arranged as an east-west system with smaller tilt angles.
Additionally, all construction profiles are symmetrical. This optimizes the structural design, provides better stability, reduces material usage and enables easy assembly.
The larger the systems, the more economic the use of pile-driven foundations. Due to the geometry of the NRAC, standard RAM units can be used for our piles.
To best respond to the different requirements of the soils, we have chosen a magnaless coating. This also reduces the amount of zinc entering the soil.
Concrete foundations are the solution for smaller and remote installations. No special machinery is needed, and concrete can be produced or sourced directly on site. This way, we also create a foundation for our NRAC kits, which can be quickly assembled directly on any free outdoor surface without ground planning.
For certain soil conditions and slopes, we can also offer solutions with screw foundations.
The modules are getting larger, the clamping area smaller.
The portrait configuration with our K2 cross rails always enable tension-free installation in the clamping area.
In addition, due to current module development, landscape or horizontal orientation is seldom requested.
Normally, a southern-facing system is planned.
However, if the yield is to be maximized, or if the yield is to be distributed evenly throughout the day, then the east-west orientation of the NRAC offers clear advantages. The installation of the NRAC system is designed so that each step is simple and unambiguous.
We also rely on existing K2 components such as our climber and module clamps and use only one type of screw for all connections.
All assembly steps are the same for the different configurations. The profiles only differ in length and in the placement of the holes.
Everyone who knows and appreciates our K2 products will love the NRAC.
For small open field projects, we have 2 configurations on concrete foundations as a kit solution. These are suitable for all module sizes and are available from stock.
The kit solution fits 80% of all locations and can be expanded as needed. We are happy to support you with the preliminary dimensioning of the concrete foundations.
Here we see a reference installation in Xuelian, Germany on a renaturalized area next to a quarry.
Here the NRAC 3.15 with pile-driven foundations and 3 vertically arranged module rows is being used.
The solar park comprises over 2,500 bifacial modules, providing a total nominal output of 1.5 megawatts.
The installation team built the NRAC system here for the first time and was thrilled by how quickly and easily the solar park could be constructed.
Speaking of aluminium, we deliberately focus on production from Europe with a small CO2 footprint. The proportion of recycled material is already high, and because of our close contact with the extrusion plant, we can say that aluminium production is making great development strides towards CO2 neutrality.
The material does not require corrosion protection like steel and therefore requires fewer processing steps. Nevertheless, it can be worked on at the construction site, for example, cut to size.
In terms of handling, aluminium scores with lower weight and the popular K2 geometries.
Due to the low weight, you save on transport costs and thus again CO2.
If you are planning a ground mount project or want to get into this area, please contact us.
Use our checklist and list the project conditions for us to consider.
Then we can support you with soil analysis, tendering, structural engineering and partner management to successfully bring your project to completion.
Of course, project documentation is included. We
We
look forward to your project.